Check out this 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 5,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.3-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning, driver airbag and daytime running lights. Call 888-632-4145 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.